So guys, welcome back. As you can remember, on our last tutorial we solved this problem of a binary number back to a decimal, and then this tutorial we're gonna convert this answer that we got from this binary problem, we're gonna convert it back to this. As you can see here, I was busy trying to do it and then my video kind of cut off. So here basically what I did, I said since here we are using the multiples of 2, as you can see we took each and every byte multiplied by 2 and its exponent. Here we're actually dividing the answer by 2 until you arrive to 1. So here I'm going to take 109, here it is 109 divided by 2 is undividable because this is an odd number. So I'm kind of looking for the highest possible number that I can get so that I can divide by 2. So I said 109 minus 108, the answer was 1. 1 is my remainder. Here it is. I said my remainder is 1. Here it is. Then I said 108 divided by 2. I got 54. Right now, again I said 54 divided by 2. 54 is divided, you can divide 54 by 2 because it is not an odd number. So when you say 54 divided by 2, you get 27, which means you have no remainder. When you have no remainder, you put R0. I will show you how this remainder works at the end so that you can understand exactly what is going on. So for our next step, we're gonna divide again 27 by 2. So as you can see, 27 cannot be divided by 2. So we're gonna say 27 minus 26. We get a remainder of 1. Again, we're gonna say R1. Here is our remainder. Then we're gonna say 26, this one, divided by 2. When you say 26 divided by 2, your answer is 13. You must remember here we did not get a remainder because we said 54 divided by 2, we got exactly 27. It was divisible by 2. So right now here we got 13. As you can see, 13 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2. You're gonna say again 13 minus 12. Your remainder is 1. You take your remainder, you put it here. You're gonna say this 12 divided by 2. Just like here, when we divided by 2, here we divided by 2. This 12 divided by 2, the answer is 6. There we go. Then you divide this 6 again by 2. As you can see, 6 is divisible by 6 by 2. So your answer is going to be 3. Your remainder is 0 because 2 can divide 6. Then again, we're going to say 3 divided by 2. It cannot be divided. So we're going to say 3 minus 2. Your answer is 1 here, which is your remainder. So your remainder is 1. We're going to divide this 2 by 2, this 2. So again, when you say 2 divided by 2, your answer is 1. Since here now you cannot say 1 divided by 2 and you cannot look for the highest possible number because you have reached 1. You just take the 1 as it is and then you take it as a remainder, so that when you say 2 divided by 0 here, the highest possible number, you can make it 0. When you say 0 divided by 2, the answer is 0. I told you that when you write your binary, you must write these remainders of yours going up. You take the remainders from this one going up. You don't take it from the first one going down. So when you take it from the last one going up, your final answer is gonna be 1, this one, 1, this one, 0, this one, 1, this one, 1, this one, 0, this one, 1, the last one. As you can see, is 1 1, which is 1 1, is 0 1 1, 0 1 1, then is 0 1. Then you put 2 to represent that this is actually a binary. Therefore 109 base 10 is equals to 1101102. As you can check, this answer is similar to the one that we just did before on our last tutorial, which we converted the very same answer, this one to this one, and in our answer we got this one. So right now we managed to take binary to decimal and decimal back to this 2 binary. So guys, thank you, and please click that like button and subscribe to this channel. If you have any problem, I welcome you. You can comment it down on the comment section, and then I will do it on another tutorial and show you how it's done. That will be this is our video for today. Stay tuned for another video on Friday.